question for you. Based on your experience as young activist, and really I would like to congratulate you on your CV, which is very impressive, but really admirative of it. And based on your experience and your recent participation at Nairobi and at the Universal Periodic Review, how do you think digital technology can be used by girls as a tool to have their voices heard everywhere?
Social media and digital technology has transformed the way we communicate, the way we mobilize attention, accountability, and the way we challenge discrimination. And it's such a powerful tool, like you mentioned, to bring women's rights issues to the forefront and to demand policymakers uphold their commitments to young women and girls. As a young activist, digital technology has connected me with activists within and across borders and has been essential in building a network of activists who support and inspire the work and help amplify the demands. And it also provides a platform to hold the government accountable for their commitments for young girls and women, to follow up on these goals and to continue to advocate for our meaningful consultation and our participation in these processes, both at a national and international level. However, it's also important to recognize that a lot of girls face a lot of challenges using these spaces. Access to technology and connectivity continues to be a hindrance to the active participation of girls and young people. And with COVID pandemic more recently, when education, access to services, and also seeking justice was only available virtually, how essential these services are was made further evident. And I think for everyone to be able to access these services, it has to be free. And these online platforms and spaces are sometimes rampant with gender-based violence and harassment towards girls and women. And for girls to be able to meaningfully engage in issues important to them, I think they have to also be made safer, and we need to address these challenges for girls and young activists to continue to play a huge role in demanding change.
Thank you very much.
As my last question, how can we help you in using digital technology to reach out to a broader cohort of young people and policymakers?
Great question indeed. Our mission at UNFPA is to ensure rights and choices for all. That includes universal access to information, services, and commodities. So how you can help us? It's very simple. We support the digital data collection, analysis, and use specifically on young people, to shape more youth and gender-responsive policy making at the highest level in the health sector, education sector, and social protection. So you, as a young activist, as a very well respected in your field, you can help us mobilize more young people of the Maldives and everywhere else to make sure that we can get this information. We can collect real evidence-based data so that we can use them and support countries and groups like you to have better access to digital science, digital information, and digital use to spread what you need towards the world. We support, therefore, digital comprehensive sexual education, counseling over mobile platform and other aspects, and working with youth entrepreneurs to create innovative solutions to help us to reach the furthest behind, just like entrepreneurs, just like you, is so helpful to reach out to the bigger number of young girls. So this is how you can help us. Share your ideas, please. Connect your peers with UNFPA. Steer the community of young people who believes in our mandate and co-created with us. And if there are some who doesn't believe in the mandate, help us tell them how much our mandate is critical for them to realize sustainable development. If your right choices for yourself are not fulfilled, you have no way of fulfilling your own potential anytime. Together, Sara, we can bring us back on track for the Agenda 2030. I thank you so much for your time and for your wisdom at such a young age, yet such a senior activist. Thank you.
Thank you so much.